I'm Molly Superthorpe. Welcome to my channel, where I offer bite-sized tutorials and demonstrations in calligraphy and hand lettering, and upload a brand new video every Friday. This week, I'm doing a demonstration of all the brushes included in my Inky lettering Procreate brush pack, which contains watercolor, marker, and ombré brushes for really cool lettering effects. If you don't own this brush pack, I have linked it below, and if you do own it, I hope this serves as a reference to help you make the most out of the pack. This is a quiet demonstration, so sit back, relax, and enjoy.